Hey guys, I'm Hallie. Welcome to Ask an Expert with wikiHow. Today I'm sitting down with John Lundin, a psychologist here in the San Francisco Bay Area. What are a few ways to help a friend who is suffering from depression?
If you're close to that friend, it can be a very painful thing to see your friend go through. And that means that we want to do everything that we can to help. The best thing you can do is be available for them to talk with someone who cares about them whenever they want. Well, I say whenever they want, whenever you're available, because it's also important to have your own boundaries and take care of yourself, to model for that friend how to take care of themselves. And also, if you can take care of yourself, you're going to be more available to other people in your life, right? And as a bonus, that friend won't feel like they're burdening you, right? If I come in and say, what's going on? I really want to hear what's going on. And if I begin, and if it's been 2 hours and I have something to do and I'm feeling anxious about that or resentful and like I'm not allowed to set my own boundary, right? That's not good. And the person's going to pick that up, that you no longer want to be there. So create some time for that friendship and let yourself end when you need to end.